Welcome back to the next part of the cybersecurity series. By guiding you to become aware of the strategies the bad guys use to hack into your system, you are far less likely to become a victim. The term malware refers to malicious software variants such as worms, viruses, trojans, and spyware that provide unauthorized access that can cause damage to the computer. That's how the bad guys get in. Ransomware is malware that locks down files, data, or your systems. It threatens to destroy your data or make your private data open to the dark web or the public unless you pay the ransom. I'm Sid Rothenberg. You own your technology. We support it for you. Be safe and see you next time.